Hey guys, so this morning I was at home and my wife complained that she heard some noise while she was using the blender, and I checked out for the connection and I noticed that the blender was having some sort of a short circuit because of a bad contact right over here. And my idea today is to show you how I can fix this using a Swiss Army knife. I think this is a kind of a a classic day-to-day scenario of the things I have to use with my Victorinox, and I thought this might be an interesting video. For that, I will be using my Victorinox Mountaineer, is the one that I have with me right now, so it's the one that I'm gonna be using. And maybe I can use with this I can showcase probably a lot of the things that this little bad boy can do. Okay, so let's get started. So yeah guys, so this is how it turned out. It was a little bit harder than I thought to make this on the video without losing control and missing the shot. But yeah, it turned out just fine, I guess. Now it's just a matter of connecting to the plug and get it done. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.